How to half swipe on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom left corner, you can find this chat section icon. Tap on it. Now your chat section will appear. First, you have to look for the conversation that you want to watch out. Here, I'm gonna select this one. All you have to do is long press on their avatar and swipe right. Make sure you don't lift up your fingers. In this way, you can easily view their message without getting notified. You can do the same for other conversations as well. Here, I'm gonna try it out for this one as well. Don't lift your fingers and just swipe to the right. And now you can view all the messages without notifying them that you have already viewed your message. This is how you use half swipe on Snapchat. I hope now you guys are clear about it. This is very easy and quick process. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.